Hello friends! Don't miss this bubble blast surprise. Let's make a bubble rainbow. Cut a bottle. Cover with kitchen wipe. Secure with a rubber band. Paint rainbow stripes with watercolors. Now mix shampoo plus water in a bowl. Dip the colored side in it. Watch Drishti create the magic. Blow from the other end, and ta-da! Colorful foamy bubbles start dancing. Fun plus science plus art equals pure joy. Don't forget to like, share and follow at Euphoric Art and Origami for more fun ideas. Thanks for watching.